Okay, today is November 1st, 2023, and I am currently at the outlet mall that I filmed at here in Williamsburg, Iowa. And since I was here last, 4 of the Carrier Gemini units that used to be here got replaced with new Carrier Geminis. So I thought I'd make a quick video of the new units. So yeah, here's this unit. I believe these have Copeland scroll compressors. And yeah, these are brand new units. I bet they're 2023. Yep, it's from 2023, and I'm not sure how many tons it is. I guess it's probably like maybe around 10 tons or something. Here's the second brand new Carrier unit. Yeah, these got Copeland scroll compressors. Pretty sure. I think that one's the same thing. Here's this one. Oh, you know what? That one's got an LG compressor. That's interesting. I didn't think Geminis used LG compressors. This one is a 2023 unit. And I think it's an 85,000 BTU. So, not really sure how many tons that is. And then here's the last brand new Carrier unit. Carrier Gemini. Ooh, and this one's got swept blades. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. Yeah, this one replaced a Carrier Gemini that had a low ambient kit in 80-degree weather. This one is from 2023, and I think it's a 62,000 BTU. So I think that's just a little bit over a 5 ton. But yeah, just like a quick new video of these new units. Anyway, thanks for watching.